Now that we finished Visualize Yourself to Wealth, I think everybody at this point can understand the huge importance of visualization and how it's so important in everyday life of everything that we do. Hopefully you can now put together exactly how to visualize your life that you want. And remember, if you don't, you can always go back in this course to revisit those particular parts of the course. And understanding your desires and how it's so important to know exactly what you want in detail. Now we can absolutely destroy any doubt that we ever had about ourselves, our ability, anything around us. We can absolutely destroy any doubt and go out there and be the success that we're meant to be. Now we know exactly how to achieve exactly what we want, how to live the best life ever by understanding it's not that we're gonna go for the best life, we're not gonna go for the best quarter, we're not gonna go for the best week, the month. We're gonna go day by day and go after the day. Because inch by inch makes it a cinch, yard by yard then makes it hard. And we went over the secret to winning, which is all about that mindset. And if you guys remember, my goals for you were to guide you on this journey to success and take you from where you are to where you want to go. And I'm so excited now that you know how to visualize yourself to wealth. Now that you have that competitive edge for yourself, you're gonna be able to have the secrets, now that you have all the secrets of the most successful influencers and entrepreneurs out there and all the things that they've been telling me and all the things that are out there into the world will put together. Now we gotta take it to action. Now you're empowered with the wealth information to elevate your life and success and take your life to anywhere you want it to go. Knowing your skill set, and now we can start to monetize our skill set. Not that we're gonna be this skill set of just, I'm sufficient at what I do, I'm the best at what I do. And taking that to the next level and monetizing yourself so you can do what you want, when you want, anytime you want. And that's the beauty of Visualize Yourself to Wealth. Taking you, again, from where you are to where you wanna go.